So hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss about how to read NCERT books of physics, chemistry and biology. So starting with the biology part, I am going to discuss how to write, how to make notes and all of these things. So if you have ever read the biology book, so it's happened with most of the students that they can't revise this book again and again. And the one advice for them is that you can make a notes like this. There is a book, there is a copy, and you can make notes with different colored pens, or two, at least two pens which have different colors. And you can make notes like this. For example, if you are making notes of biotechnology, then you have to write down each and everything that is you think that is important, and including previous year questions. So if you are, for example, if you are doing biotechnology, then you have to underline, or you have to write all the portion that is written in black. Okay, so there are a lot of portion which is written in black, which is important. So you have to just write it down in your notebook, and just write 2-3 lines which is nearby that black portion, or which is explaining the part that is highlighted in the black. So that will help you in your exam, because most of the time the questions directly came from that. And you will not miss it, because you will again and again revise that, because you have this in your notebook and you have write it down in your pen and pencil. So, and one thing that I wanted to discuss is that too many students are not good in there are a lot of students who are good. You have to understand your learning style. Like, if you are not good in remembering things by reading, then you have to just write it, because a lot of students uh, learn by writing. If you write 2-3 times, so you will learn easily. And just like me, like I usually have to write 2-3 times, or 1 time or 2 times to remember it. And if I read the same thing and I'll just try to read the book and not write it down in my notebook, that would be not good. So for me, visualization and writing is important. So for most of the students who don't understand why they are not able to remember all those things, for example, if you are reading if you are reading morphology, then morphology or plant kingdom or animal kingdom, so most of the time it happens that you are trying to remember anything and you are not able to do that. Why? Because you are not writing it down. You have to write the examples 2-3 times, and then you can see the results. You will able to remember all those things. And it's better to remember, because most of the students, we don't have that much time and the pressure that is present in the examination hall will make you forget all those things that you have to remember. So you have to just छापना पड़ेगा अपने mind में, and you have to each and every thing to make it hard in your brain, right? So that is the most important tip that I wanted to give you. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.